back. It's been a while. So now that it's a little warmed up, my first video back after the winter is going to be installing a front push bar on a '02 Toyota 4Runner Limited. So I'm going to throw in some pictures or clips of what the push bar looks like, and let's get to showing you what the parts off and getting it installed. Sorry this isn't much of a unboxing, but here we have all the parts that came in the box for the push bar. It's going to be those push bars that has the cover for the lights as well. Never forget your coffee. Continue to ask to sponsor me. This was all those parts came wrapped in this thin mat just to protect it, and I'm gonna try to use it to, damn it, it always gets windy at the wrong moments, so I'm gonna try to use this. Throw some of these parts in place. I'm gonna try to use that to lay down on as I install it. This came with, it looks like a 2-page instructions, so it doesn't look like it could be all that tough. So I'm gonna go ahead and mount my my recording camera here so I can get this installed. So this isn't going to be that long of a video because I'm not going to go through explaining how to put this thing together. I'm just going to record this video of me doing it and what this truck is going to look like after it's done. There you go. It's not looking bad at all. Now, next thing I'm gonna do for this thing is get the tires poked out, which arrived while we were installing this. And these brackets here, and I believe those ones there, are so that you can support the upper part of this up here, so it's not wobbling around. I believe it, like that one right there, I believe it goes connected to here, and then it comes in through here, and it attaches to the bumper, the front bumper there. Keeps it nice and sturdy. Or you can cut a little slot in the bumper itself and run it through and then bolt it up like that. But I'm not gonna do that right now. I'll just do that on another day. But so far she got what she wanted with this front push bar, and it's looking good. So till next time, we'll catch you guys later. Why so serious? You gonna fix the car?